Got some more deals. Yes, more deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. We got some mowers. This is a 40 volt mower. This is a push mower and a self-propelled. $29 the difference, so I would definitely recommend you guys get the self-propelled model for $29 more. Definitely the rear wheel drive self-propelled 40 volt is the way to go on this one. You got clearance here. This is a wheelbarrow tray. So if you guys do some gardening, some yard work, this is a great little area to put your stuff, your drinks and whatever. So that's pretty nice. The Burrow Buddy. Alright, so contractor hose, 71. I did get one of these, not this one exactly, but a contractor hose. Did get it for around 14 bucks, so make sure you guys wait and get that, wait on those, because you might see them lower. Guys, these guys, I did ended up picking one of these up about a month ago, and I did the review on it. Make sure you guys check that out if you guys want to look at that. Guys, make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled for these, because some of these are on clearance. I've seen at Deal Team 6 and the Dental Tools that they've been clearancing these out in some of the stores as low as $5,000, so that's about half. So keep your eyes peeled on those. You got the Craftsman 3300 PSI inverter for $7.99. You got a power box, inlet box for the generators for your house. So this is very interesting, something I never see. $64.98. Inlet 30 amp. You got a cobalt edge trimmer. It is corded, $34, and you got a string trimmer kit, $76. I do own this thing. This thing's a beast. So I really like the rapid reload head. That's one of the plus on that one. You got some cabinets. You got an extra large for $179, down from $199. That's the extra large one. Made in the USA. And then you have the tall utility cabinet. This one's $149. You got a pump here. This is like if you want to build your own, pond or whatever. So this is one's $127, there for $159. We got a pressure washer, 2300 psi, down to $299, down from $329. We got another one, 2100 psi, down to $199, down from $249. All right, $49 for the lawn and garden K rail kit. So if you want to organize your garage, this is a great device. You got a 3100 psi gas, 2.4 gallons per minute. $329, down for $349. You got a 20-inch lawnmower blade. So you got a lot of different lawnmower blades on clearance. So if you got a lawnmower, make sure you guys keep an eye out. Maybe you guys could find one for yours. You got a blade removal kit. So $367. And here's another one, another style. Alright, so here's a clearance section. You got an 8-piece breakaway reciprocating saw, blade sets, and then you got a jigsaw blade set for $8.97. So you're getting some discount on that. And then you got some hole saws. $25 was $39.88. That's pretty good. And then you have another one for 20 bucks, $20.67. Got this one. This was 1 3/8 for $25.57. Got a Jacobs chuck for $23, was $24. You got a light for $11. And then you have this oil filter removal tool. Alright, you got some walkie-talkies here. You got the Pokemon and the Spider-Man. Alright, you got some deck screws. Exterior, these are coated, $287. And then you got some a hole saw kit or a hole saw, $21. You got an AC with the gauge hose, reusable, $17. So now that the heat's coming, you got some lawn nozzles here. So $7.47 for the 3-piece, down from $15. Not bad, but these are a little bit better in quality. This one's $10.77, down from $11.98. You got another deck screw. It's a 5-pound, $15. And then a spray can, and that's a big box there for the deck screws. 120 piece or 122 piece ratchet set there for $58. You got a battery here. Is a for Black & Decker. You got a 64 piece and 28 piece for $43.97 clearance. Like most of these, you will see them lower in some of the stores. So make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled on those. And they will drop in price. Alright, so $14.98, you got a 100-piece drive kit. So definitely worth it, guys, because this does include those security bits there, those star bits with the hole in the middle. Those are very rare to find. So if you guys are looking for that, or every garage must have a kit like that. So $109 for this one's down. This one's down from $119. And then you got the shop vac. I heard rumors that this shop vac brand was going out of business, and then they got bought out by another company. So let us know in the comment section what ended up happening to that brand. Are they still in business, or are they gonna get clearanced out? Let us know if you guys know still. You got a 4-gallon there. You got a Craftsman here. Looks like a chrome stainless. $59, down from $79. You got a digital gauge, Cobalt. $13 was $15.98. You got 100 feet air hose. 32 was $42.98. You got a twin pack of air compressor, or twin stack. $229 was $249. And then that's the same tag for that. This one's a Cobalt 3-gallon hot dog air compressor, $129. It's a hot dog style. You got a 21-degree framing nailer. 2 only. This one's $299, was $329. Got some safes. So these are really nice safes. This one's $1,000 for a 24 capacity. Then you got this one, Fortress, 24 capacity as well. This one's a much bigger one, huge in size. Wish I had the room for one of these. 48 capacity for $1,300. I don't know nothing about safes. Let us know down in the comment section which safe do you have, or do you prefer? Have you heard that they're good? Buy more, save more. You got the Bosch Power Tool items. You buy up to 450, save 150. Obviously, that's going to be the best deal. You guys know how these work. So buy more, save more. It ends next month. So you guys got a whole month ahead of you for that deal. You got the Flex Founders Lifetime Warranty. This one's the buy more, save more. So you buy $500 or more, you save $150. You buy up to $499, save $80. Obviously, that $500 or more is going to get you the best deal. So definitely check that out. And a lot of these tools, some of the older tools have gone down in price. The drills and the impact drivers. So make sure you guys check those out. You got 6-in-1 auger bits. You got a 14-piece spade bit set, $24.98. So that's pretty good. And then you got a 6-piece spade bit set for $8.98. So some nice discounts on this one. Definitely check it out. You got a 4-piece for $349. Same thing, buy one get one free with the DeWalt 12 volts. You guys got another month on this one. You get a free starter kit. You got the buy more save more. You buy $300, you save $100. So that's pretty good on these. And then you got that's the tools you guys could choose from. There's a whole bunch of tools. So definitely check that one out. Got the Metabo 36 volts 4 amp hour battery starter kit. You get a free 36 volts battery tool. That one runs down to $419.23. Pretty good stuff. This one's on clearance. Rapid charger USB, $62, down from $89. There's a few of them down there, and then you got $149 buy one get one free. So you buy that twin pack of 4 amp hour and a starter, and you get a free tool. Obviously, that angle grinder is going to be a good one. That impact wrench, the oscillating tool, the router is going to be good. Definitely check those out. That one runs down to the 23rd. And you got impact driver, drill driver. These are brushless tools, RPs. Down to $149. It's pretty good for 2 tools. And then you got this one. This one's on clearance. This was a really good deal. So if you're looking for a table saw, down to $363 from $629. So that's half off, guys. That's almost half off. Definitely check that one out. That one's really good. I wish I had the room for this tool. Yeah, definitely a really nice one. You got a quick sizer diameter gauge, 1147. It's an instant measuring tool for bolts, for drill bits, whatever. You got the DeWalt table saw for $549. You guys know the price difference on the Bosch and this one. Pretty much a big difference on price. Now I never used the Bosch. I've used the DeWalt, but not the Bosch. I know the DeWalt's solid, but you know you're gonna pay the premium for that one. So $244 for this one. This one was $349. You got the Metabo miter saw. This one's really nice. This one's $449. Yeah, very interesting what they did. Some people like the side slider, some people don't, because sometimes they do get in the way when you're making those cuts. A lot of people like this traditional style DeWalt. You got the compound miter saw for $300. Was $429. This one's $244. It's a Cobalt. That is a slider and a dual bevel. It's a nice budget there. And then you got a Cobalt sliding miter saw for $203. This one's a 10-inch, smaller one. This one's pretty good. So if you don't want the bigger one because it takes too much room or it's heavy, the 10-inch. I used to have the 10-inch and the 12-inch. I think a 10-inch will be good for me, but it just depends on what you're doing. You got the axe tomahawk style, $25.87. These are really nice. That's really nice. You got a standard carpenter's hatchet, 22 ounce, $20, $20.87. Does have a hammer on the other side. You got a hammer, 28 ounce. That's pretty nice. Then you got a 16 ounce California framer, $14.97. With the American flag, you got the steel hammer, 20 ounce, $14.97. That's nice too. And then that's my favorite out of all of these. Well, at least I never had any of these hammers, but you know I always had wood and fiberglass, the cheap ones, because I usually don't hammer a lot. If I'm gonna be hammering, I'm gonna be using a framing nailer or something like that, you know. But sometimes you need a hammer just to nail those. You got a clearance table here with all kinds of hardware and stuff like that. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.